We have a winner. After 3 rounds of voting, you've officially chosen the next puzzle tool for a book creator. After counting all the votes from the final round, the winning puzzle tool is Codewords. Codewords will be the next puzzle generator added to a book creator. This tool was chosen entirely by the community, which makes this one especially exciting to build. If you're not familiar, Codewords puzzles use numbers to represent letters, and players decode the grid to reveal hidden words. I'd love your input on things like word list, add your own word list, have them selected for you, or option for both. Difficulty levels, easy, medium, hard. Should there be pre-filled letters to help get started? What about answer keys? Do you just want full solutions, or do you want to have an option to have hints for the letters? Let me know in the comments what features you want in the Codewords tool. And I have one more thing. Math Mazes isn't going away. Because it made it all the way to the final round, I've decided that Math Mazes will be the next tool after Codewords. So we now have 2 new puzzle tools coming to a book creator. Make sure you subscribed so you don't miss the updates and the release.